Elon Musk has once again done what he does best: disrupted and set the agenda on social media. It was this tweet showing a slimmed down version of Musk in a Santa suit which caught the attention. Then came this tweet in which he named the drug Mounjaro as the one being responsible for his weight loss. Several more posts followed, including the ones in which he compared the side effects of Ozempic and Mounjaro. Later, Musk took a deep dive into risk-benefit analysis of weight loss drugs and how the new generation is more than just GLP-1 inhibitors. So the basic question, what is Mounjaro and is it available in India? Mounjaro is a drug developed by Eli Lilly based on an active ingredient called tirzepatide. This ingredient was launched under two brands by the company, Mounjaro for diabetes and Zepbound for weight loss. The two drugs have been available in the United States for the last 1 year. In India, the drug was given approval for diabetes control in July. However, it's not received a go-ahead yet for weight loss. Studies show Mounjaro can reduce body weight by up to 18% in 72 weeks by inhibiting food intake. The drug is injected in 6 different doses, ranging from 2.5 mg to 12.5 mg. It's different from semaglutide, which is sold as Ozempic, in the way it creates insulin and a sensation of fullness. Mounjaro has not yet been launched in India and is expected to hit the market early next year. Mounjaro injections, nevertheless, have been available in the Indian grey market for the past few months, but they cost a bomb. Business Today TV spoke to some users who said they were paying anywhere between 50 to 90,000 rupees for 4 doses. The injection is usually taken once a week, which translates to 4 times a month. Reports say the official launch price of Mounjaro is expected to be around 15,000 rupees an injection. Experts, however, warn the feeling of fullness created by the injection could end up depriving the body of essential minerals and vitamins in the long run. There's also danger of fake injections in the market, particularly those being brought from China. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.